Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this long unit. Today's unit is by the It's a Wig brand. I haven't tried an It's a Wig unit in a minute, so I'm really excited about this one. This one is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. It is synthetic. I have it in the style Lace Jade, and I have it in the color too. So if you guys are interested in hearing what I think of this unit and watching me install it, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, you already know, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and make sure you follow me on my socials, which will be listed right here as well in the description bar below. Now let's go. Okay guys, so let's just jump into the good stuff of this unit. Taking it out of the packaging, it is an HD 13x6 lace frontal unit. I do have it in the style Lace Jade, and then I have it in the color too. So this unit shows to be very versatile, you guys. You can wear it middle part, side part, up, down, however you want to wear it. Today I am going to wear my unit with just the middle part. I was going to try to do like the little up style do that they have on the model in the black on the stock card. However, I was just like, nah, I'm gonna leave that alone. So I didn't do the adjustable straps in this one. It is, however, very big head friendly. I do feel like I have a lot of space in it, but once I laid the lace down, I was like, okay, it feels secure. So with today's unit being a 13x6 lace frontal unit, I am going to use some Got To Be spray. I'm using the High Insta Hold spray, and it's in the blue and purple container. I'm going to use that all around the lace just to make sure that the lace is secure when trying to style it. I won't have any issues with any sliding or pushback, none of that. So after I got that done, I did dry it down with my blow dryer, cut the lace off, and then I was like, okay, let's get to the styling. So I put a middle part, and then I did some baby hairs just around the area where you could actually see my lace line. So let's jump into what I like about the unit. I absolutely love the curls. I love how full this unit is. It isn't a yucky texture, and it isn't very silk either. It's like that in between. I'm not really sure what you call that texture, but it's an in between texture here. It's not too shiny and not too yucky with the dry feel either. So this unit is iron friendly. You can use up to 400 degrees on it. I did not use any heat on it besides my lace area, just to make sure I can make it flat. Another thing I like about this unit is the fact that it is versatile. I like that you can wear it in so many different styles. I love how long it is. I love the length. I don't know, like curls have just been my thing lately also, so the curls are my fave. I don't usually, in the past, if you watch my past videos, you'll hear how much I dislike curls, but for some reason curls have been my go-to lately. I really adore them. Now let's jump into a little bit of the cons. One con I noticed, it says that it's HD lace. However, when I cut the lace off, it wasn't very HD, okay, because I could still see the lace very well. And my experience with HD lace is you put the wig on and then the lace is just invisible, honestly. Like you really can't even tell it's there when you have HD lace. Now it is a thin lace, I will give it that much, because even when I cut it, I was like, darn, that's like almost split. In like with the quickness, it really almost split very fast. So it does have thin lace. I do like the lace. You just have to add some powder, because honestly it just did not blend. And it does say that it comes with a tinted lace. It also says that on the stock card as well, but I didn't really get more of a tint lace feel from it, to be honest. That actually is the only con I have about the unit, you guys, because with the experience I've had with it so far of just putting it on and styling it, I don't have anything bad to say about the unit whatsoever. I actually highly recommend trying this unit out, because it is so cute. It's just so feminine. It's so stylish. Like I feel like you could be so effortless with this. You just put it on, you know, style it up a little bit, but it's just very effortless. So I really like it. If you guys are interested in the unit, I will have the link in my description box below. Make sure you guys check that out. I did get this unit from Elevate Styles. I'll put the all the info down there as well. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment as well. Any questions, like I always say, leave them in the comment section. I'll make sure I answer for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.